Today, I want to discuss complex number. Now, if you are somebody who has just gained admission to university, this is the first topic you will see in school. So I think it's good you pay attention, okay? Let me take you through this. Now, we have a question. The question says, express this in rectangular form. The first thing I want to do today is that we want to explain this word. What is the meaning of this phrase, rectangular form? Now, rectangular form means this particular form. X plus IY. So if you are able to write this question like this, then you have successfully turned it to what? Rectangular form. So don't forget what this is, rectangular form. Now, how do I do this? Watch. I'm going to introduce you to something now. It is called Euler's form. I repeat, it's called what? Euler's form. What some call it exponential form. So any word you use is very good. You can say Euler form, you can say exponential form. Both words are good. What is the meaning of Euler's form? Now, according to this form, it says, if you have e raised to the power I theta. Now, you can circle the I. And when you circle the I, any other thing that remains becomes your angle. So this becomes cos theta plus, then you got your I, then sine theta. Don't forget what I told you. You circle the I, just the I. When you circle the I, any other thing you see at the power becomes the angle. You can see what this is, and you can see what this is. Can you see? This is what we call the Euler's form or the exponential form. So with this form now, I think we can solve this. So let's take the question now. So let me clean this. And let's go back to the top. So now, how do I do this? Watch. So first thing I will do is that I will circle the I, which means that this is the angle. So according to Euler's form, this will become what? Cos pi over 2, right? Plus I, then sine what? Pi over 2. In case you forget, look at the downside again. You circle the I, and any other thing that remains here is the angle. So now I think this is good. Circle the I, and whatever remains is the angle. Now, the next question we have to ask ourselves is, what is pi over 2? Now, I want you to recall that in mathematics, okay, pi over 2 in radians is equal to 90 degrees. I want you to put this one down in your notebooks so that you always remember, okay, that pi over 2 radians is what? 90 degrees. So with this now, I can solve this. So this will give me what, please? It will give me cos 90 degree plus what? I, then sine what? 90 degree. Can you tell me what cos 90 degree is in calculator? 0. Can you also tell me what sine 90 degrees in calculator? It is 1. That means from here, all we get now is 0 plus 1 times I. And the final answer is what? 0 plus 1I. Can you see? Now this thing looks like what? This. Can you see? Now we are done. This is called the rectangular form. It's called the rectangular form. So I want to believe you understand why I did this video. I'm going to meet you in the next video. Thank you.